Welcome to Autism Mathematics. How many subsets of the set K, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 contain at least one prime number? Okay, let's see how we are going to do this. The answers are provided. We have A 256, B 240, C 16. So let's see how we are going to do. To find the number of subsets of a set, the formula is 2 raised to the power n. This n here is the number of elements. So for example, this K here, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. So the subset of K, 2 raised to the power 8, and which is 2, 5, 6. But the question said at least one prime number. So first, let's look at the non-prime numbers. What are the non-prime numbers? Look at the question. 4, 6, 8, 9. They are 4. So non-prime numbers, number of subsets of non-prime numbers will be 2 raised to the power 4, which is 16. So if we want to look at the number of subsets that at least one prime number, that contain at least one prime number, it will be the general one, 256 minus 16, which is 240. So the answer is B, the correct answer.